Welcome, Monster Jam fans, to the first event ever in this series. Tonight's event, we have one of the three drivers, first three of the three drivers. Now let's do the starting lineup. First, we got Lightning and Soldier Fortune. Next, we got Damien and Zombie. And finally, we have Kata and Gravedigger. The first round of racing will be Kata versus Lightning. Alright, Master Jam fans, we're gonna get started up with the first round racing. The winner will go up against Damien and Zombie. And as we go green, and they're off. First turn. Lightning's lagging a little bit as he spun out as Kata and Gravedigger wins.
Oh no. Damien, stay up there. Stay up there, Damien. Get back up.
And with that, Kata and Gravedigger will go up against Damien and Zombie. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. Buddy up. So you do Alrighty, Monster Jam fans, it's time for the final race of the final round. Which one of those two drivers will be able to claim victory? Now let's start up. In the close lane, we have Kata and Gravedigger. In the far lane, we have Damien and Zombie. As we go green. Drivers are ready, and they're off! Come around in the first turn. On for the final turn. Kata spins out as Damien gets the win for racing. What a race there, fans. And with that, 9 points. 9 points for first place for Damien. That's 8 points for Kata. And 7 points for Lightning. And with the racing competition is over, we're gonna take a little break. Alright, fans, we're gonna get ready with two wheel skills. Now for two wheels, the drivers will have 2 attempts, so they need to make it count. And with that, the drivers down there over here practicing for 2 wheels. And the first up for the 2 wheel skills competition, we're gonna have Lightning and Soldier Fortune. Okay, off he goes. Let's see what Lightning and Soldier Fortune can do. Going for a stoppie. Okay, now it's not bad for Lightning and Soldier Fortune. Looks like he's lining up for the Sky Wheelie. Oh no, he fell on his back. Can he save it? He does. And that concludes the run for Lightning in Soldier Fortune. Now let's hear it from the judges to see what they think of that run.
Kata, he's a type in Roblox chat.
Looks like the final score. Looks like the final score for Lightning and Soldier Fortune is gonna be 7.5. That is the score to beat. Coming up next, we have Kata in Gravedigger. Let's see what we got. Race around the mound. Let's see, what is he about to do? He's backing up for something. He's going up the mound. Going for a stoppie. Can he? Oh no! Can he save it? He does. Little moonwalk. Trying to go for a wind wheel. Can he save it again? One wheel save. Can he? Oh my! Yo! What a crazy save! And that is one attempt for Kata and Gravedigger. One more tip remaining for Kata. Let's see, what is he trying to do here? Is he about to go for another stoppie? He does. Up to a moonwalk on the mound. Oh, and it turns to a little wheelie there. Can he save it? On one wheel, can he? Damages to the wheelie. On his back again. Can he save it? It looks like he cannot save it. He did save it. Oh no! Well, that's gonna end the run for Kata and Gravedigger. So what do we give that from the judges? 7.6 is the final score. We have a new leader, Kata and Gravedigger. Coming up next, and the final competitor for this competition, we have Damien and Zombie. Goes for a little stoppie there.
Yo, no, that does not count. Please. I was trying to go down.
But that will count anyways. See, what is he trying to do here? Lining up for a sky wheelie? Oh, never mind that. He's just trying to do the stoppie. Looks trying to fake the sky wheelie movement. Okay, that was a nice stoppie there. Try to hang on there as long as you can. Wow. And that concludes the first attempt for Damien and Zombie. Going for a little bicycle, and now do. So fans, give it up for Damien and Zombie. Now what would he? Now let's see what the judges think of the move. Monster J fans, sit tight. The judges will have a thinking process. Looks like the final score is 7.4. That's the final score for Damien and Zombie. Your two-wheel skills winner is Kata and Gravedigger. And with that, first place goes to Kata for 9 points in total. Second place is Lightning and Soldier Fortune with 8 points for second place. Damien at third place, which gets 7. And with that, we're gonna move on to freestyle. And the first up for freestyle, we have Damien and Zombie. And with that, the timer will be for freestyle is 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 20 seconds for freestyle. As soon as Zombie, driven by Damien, make his first move, and a timer started. Okay, not a bad jump there. 20 seconds in. A little big air there. Okay, not bad, not bad. 38 seconds left. Okay, bounce it to the wall. Ooh! Oh no, he crashed! Could he save it? Looks like he managed to save it. 25 seconds remaining. Try to go for a little front flip, but that failed. Can he save it? He does. 15 seconds left remaining. Still enough time for a few more jumps. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The time is up, and with a stoppy at the end. That concludes the run for Damien and Zombie. So what do we give that for the judges? Let's hear it from the judges. See what they think. Looks like the final score is gonna be 7.6, which is a score to beat. Coming up next is Lightning and Soldier Fortune. Just gotta reset the clock. Looks like he's lining up for some big air. And the timer is on its way. Little bicycle there. 10 seconds in already. Another big air. 1 minute remaining. Looks like he's lining up for a backflip. 50 seconds left. Can he do a backflip? He does! That was an epic backflip. Goes on the fourth tire. 30 seconds remaining. Little donut for Lightning and Soldier Fortune. 1 bar sky jump. Oh no! Can he save it? Looks like he uses free flip. And the rules for this, 25 seconds left. Each driver gets 2 free flips. In Lightning, just use 1 as free flips. Go for a sky 1. 15 seconds. And Lightning just uses last free flip. He's out of free flips. Go to bicycle. Oh crap! Can he save it? He does. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that does it. And what a save there at the end. Now let's hear it from the judges of that run. Alright fans, let's see what the judges think for that run. Looks like the final score is gonna be 7.5. Not enough to beat Damien and Zombie. Your final competitor is gonna be Kata and Gravedigger. As you go, gotta reset the timer. Here we go. Okay, let's see what Kata can do. Okay, start off the big air. We're on our way. Okay, a little nice big air. Spin around there. Little sky wheelie there. Into a stoppie with 20 seconds in. What is he about to do? Looks like he's lining up for a backflip. Little stoppie there, but can he save it? One wheelie. Oh no! Can he save it? Looks like he uses free flip. He has one free flip remaining. And remember, each driver gets 2 free flips for freestyle competitions. Okay, 30 seconds left. One wheel from Kata. Saves it there. Off he goes. Big air there. 20 seconds. Looks skyway with. Oh no! Can he save it again? Or he uses flash free flip with 10 seconds. He managed to save it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That concludes the run for Kata and Gravedigger. Now let's hear it from the judges. Your score to beat is 7.6 leader Damien and Zombie. And we have your new leader. It's Kata and Gravedigger. And with that, Kata will get 9 points for first place. Damien will get second place, which is 8 points. And Lightning and Soldier Fortune will get 7 points. And with that, we're gonna just take a break here for a little bit while we get the scores calculated for the overall. Alright fans, we just done adding up the total points for all 3 competitions. And for the overall winner from racing in second place for 2 wheels in first place, and freestyle in first place. Your overall winner is Kata and Gravedigger with 26 points overall. Second place, we have Damien and Zombie with 24, Lightning and Soldier Fortune with 22. And congratulations to Kata and Gravedigger for the final overall for this competition. That's the end of the event, folks. We'll see you guys in the next event.